The first step in beer production is malting. Malting is the process of soaking, germinating, and drying cereal grains, typically barley, to prepare them for brewing. The malting process activates enzymes within the grains that will later convert starches into fermentable sugars. Here's how it all goes down. Soaking. Fully ripened barley grains are steeped or soaked in cold water until they are fully saturated. The water is changed once a day, and after 45 to 72 hours, the grains are placed in shallow tanks. Germination. The grain is aerated and stirred, which causes it to germinate, releasing enzymes such as malt diastase. Malt diastase converts the starches contained in the grain to sugar for fermentation, drying, or roasting. As soon as the germination is adequately complete, usually 6 days, the grain is roasted to stop the germination process. The exact point at which the roasting starts and ends affects the flavor and color of the beer. The product at this point is referred to as malt. Mashing is the process of mixing the malted barley with hot water to extract fermentable sugars. The result is a sugary liquid called wort, which is a crucial ingredient in the beer-making process. Here's how it's done. Milling. The malted barley is crushed into a coarse powder known as grist. This is a crucial step because it increases the surface area of the malt, making it more accessible to water during mashing. Breweries typically use specialized milling equipment such as roller mills or hammer mills to break down the malted barley into grist. These mills consist of a set of rollers or hammers that crush and shear the grains. Mashing. The grist is mixed with hot water in a vessel called a mash tun. This tank is a large copper or stainless steel vessel that mixes the malt with warm water until it is of porridge-like consistency. This mixture is called mash. The temperature of the mash is raised incrementally from 100 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 to 77 degrees Celsius, which activates the enzymes in the malt, converting the starches into sugars. This process typically involves multiple temperature rests to create a balanced profile of sugars. The liquid contained in the mash is transferred into another tank called a lauter tun. This is accomplished by drawing the liquid out through the bottom layer of mash solids, which acts as a filter. Hot water is added to the top of the mash tank to rinse the remaining liquid, now called wort, from the mash. The solid remains of the grain are dried and sold by the brewery as animal feed. Once the wort is separated from the grains, it travels on